Happy Wednesday, boys and girls. We are going to complete our morning work together. We are on Unit 2, Week 1, Day 3. Remember that we are in our brand new blue book. So this it says, edit, then write each sentence correctly and circle all the nouns. Remember that a noun is a person, place, thing, or object. Or animal, I should say. Person, place, thing, or animal. So number 1, my family is very smart. Fix that up. Number 2, they were sitting on the porch. So I'll fix those up and then we'll correct them together. Make sure you pause your video. Alright, here we go. Number 1, my needs to be capitalized because it's the beginning of the sentence. Family is spelled incorrectly. So F-A-M-I-L-Y. My family is very smart. And then it needs a period at the end. And then we're going to write it correctly. Okay, and then we're looking for the noun. So let's see, my family. Family is a noun, so we're going to circle that. Let's switch colors for this. So we're going to circle family, right? That's a thing. Is very smart. Okay, I think that's it for that one. And number 2, they were sitting on the porch. They were sitting. Sitting is spelled incorrectly. Because right now that says sighting because there's not a double consonant after the first I. So we want to make that short vowel. We got to double the T, then add ing. They were sitting on the porch, period. We'll rewrite it nice and neat. Okay, and let's find the noun or nouns. They were sitting on the porch. How about porch? It's a thing. Okay, let's continue. Daily math review. Go ahead and pause your video and do those. Okay, here we go. Daily math review. 9 plus 1 is 10. 8 plus 2 is also 10. 7 plus 2 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. How do we make, there we go. And 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay. Write an equation that represents the dots in this array. Then we got 64 plus 35. And then you've got to do number 8. You're decomposing a number leading to a 10. So 8 plus 6 equals. And so you're taking the 6 and breaking it apart into 2 and 4. So because 8 and 2 is 10. So 8 and 2 is 10, and then you still have to add the 4. And then write the amount shown 2 ways. So we've got, these are dimes, so these are all 10 cents. Go ahead and fix those up, and then we'll check them together. Make sure you pause your video. Alright, here we go. Number 6, write an equation that represents the dots in this array. So if I look at the dots, the way they're set up, I've got 3 rows of 3. Right? So I have 3 plus 3 plus 3, and that equals 9. And then we've got 64 plus 35. So I have, start with my 1, so I have 4 1s and 5 1s, right? So that gives me 9 1s. And then I have 6 10s plus 3 10s gives me 9 10s, so 99. I could also add it where I add my 10s, right? So let me get some space. 60 plus 30, right? 6 10s and 3 10s. And then 4, because I have 1, so 4 plus 5. And so I can figure out what each of those problems equals. So 60 and 30 is 90. 4 and 5 is 9. So then I have 90 plus 9 equals the answer, again, which is 99. Alright, so this one we worked through what all this means. So what it comes down to is 10 plus 4 equals 14. Write the amount shown 2 ways. So I'm not going to write 10 on all these because I know to count by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So there's 100 cents. And 100 cents is the same as $1, which is what this means. So $1 and 0 cents. That 0, or that dot, that decimal means and, which is why we don't say and when we say big numbers, because it would mean that there's a decimal in there. All right, nice work.